This video is for all the brothers who just recently say that English needs grammar and we don't need speaking, and the priority of them was completely grammar, and they were just having a bake-off for English speaking. So I know that they have spent too much time for grammar and they don't know like English speaking correctly and properly and accurately nowadays. So I'm telling you, this is a question from all of you, the people who are saying that English needs grammar and grammar is most important than English speaking. So for example, I'm telling you that go to America and just spend 2 years. Just spend 2 years. So this is your choice. And the second number, I'm giving you 3 years just to be in English classes and just focus on English grammar. Okay, so what would you choose and what would you prefer? If you prefer grammar, so I know that your English speaking will not be the same as the person who is spending who has been spending time for 2 years in like English countries. So there will be much difference between that, and we will see the difference between you and the other person who is spending time in other countries, in English countries, in native countries for 2 years. So the 2 years will be far better than 3 years of your focusing on grammar, and you will not even know a single word of English speaking, and that person will know the grammar, the structures, everything he will be understood. That will be okay.